Vanessa here. In case you have never seen my face, hello and it's nice to meet you. Today I'm coming at you guys with my 5 favorite equipment-free core exercises, or you can also say ab exercises. Guys, I do these on a daily basis and I promise they work. So if you want to get your stomach looking all nice, strong, and toned, keep watching this video. As I said before, the cool thing about these exercises are you can literally do them anywhere. You have no excuse for not having abs now. You can do them in your bedroom, your kitchen, your bathroom, the gym. It does not matter. The only thing that you do need is a pair of socks, which we all have. Then if you don't want to lay directly on the ground, you can lay down a towel or a yoga mat just so that you don't hurt your back, but technically it's not necessary. So yes guys, I recommend doing 2 sets of 20 of each of these exercises. Try to do all 5 of the exercises every day, or try to do 2 to 3 of the exercises every day. But no matter what, if you do that, I promise, you will see a huge difference in your core, and not only just your core, you'll probably see a huge change in your overall body composition. So yeah guys, without further ado, let's get on into these 5 exercises.
For the first exercise, we're going to do plank pull-ins. Now the goal here is not to move your body at all, except for bring your knees up into your chest. So you want to keep your back in a fully straight line, your shoulders directly over your hands. And the way you want to bring your legs into your chest is by fully engaging the core. So you want to think of sucking your belly button into your spine rather than just using your leg muscles to bring your legs in. You want to use your core muscles to bring your legs in. And I promise if you do this one correctly, you will really feel it. Now for the next exercise, we're going to do pike pull-ups. So as you can see here, you're going to simply just slide up into a pike. Now the goal again is to bring your body up into a pike position by engaging your core. So think of really engaging those abs to get your body into the pike position. Suck your belly button into your spine, and again try to keep your body in the proper plank form. So you want to keep your shoulders over your hands as much as possible, your legs fully straight, and this one you also will feel in your shoulders. But like I said, focus on your core mostly, and then you'll really get a good ab workout in. Now for the next exercise, we're going to do these plank twists. So you're going to go into plank on your elbows, and you're simply going to just drop your hips from side to side. Try to think of getting your hip to touch the ground on each side. Make sure to not stick your butt out and drop your hips. Instead, pull your hips up towards your stomach and keep that proper form. So as you can see, you're just going to dip side to side. Try to really think about engaging the obliques, which are the muscles on the sides of your stomach, to pull your hips up, and you'll really feel it. Next exercise, we're going to do these crunches. Make sure that there's not a space underneath your back. You want to have your back glued to the ground, sealed to the ground, with your belly button sucking in, and then your legs at a 90-degree angle. Now the biggest trick when it comes to crunches, so that you actually feel your abs rather than just using your neck, is think of bringing your nose to the ceiling rather than bringing your chin to your chest. If you just bring your chin to your chest, you're not going to feel it anywhere but your neck probably, but if you think of bringing your nose to the ceiling, then you'll engage your core. You can also bring your arms down if you feel it more in your core. For the next exercise, we're going to do these leg lowers. The goal is to get your legs as far down as possible while keeping your back fully glued to the ground. So if you're arching your back, then that means you are doing it wrong. You need to keep your back fully glued to the ground and get your legs as far down as possible. You can have your arms straight out to the side, you can have them down by your hips, whatever works. One thing that I really like to personally do is I like to grab onto something. So you can grab onto a part of the wall, you can grab onto the side of your bed, a chair, or you can grab onto even someone's feet, whatever works. But what I like to do is I like to grab onto something and then throw my legs down as fast as I can and then control them up. I feel like I just feel it more in my abdominals that way. But keep your legs straight, your feet pointed, and keep that back glued to the ground. And also think of keeping your belly button sucking towards your spine so that you really engage your core. And just like all the exercises, focus on the stomach as much as possible so that you get the burn there rather than your legs.
And yes guys, those are the 5 exercises. I hope you try them for yourself. And yeah, comment any questions down below. Please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you know when I post a new video. And yes guys, I will see you in 2 days. I love you, and yeah.